To import a Phantom Wallet private key, you need to understand the basics of cryptocurrency wallets and private key management. A private key is a unique code that grants access to your cryptocurrency funds. And importing it into a new wallet allows you to manage your assets from a different interface. First, ensure you have the Phantom Wallet application installed on your device. If you do not have it, download and install it from the official website or app store. Next, access your existing wallet where your private key is stored. This could be another Phantom wallet, a different cryptocurrency wallet, or a wallet provided by an exchange. Locate the option to export or view your private key, which may be represented as a string of characters or a QR code. Once you have your private key, open the Phantom Wallet application on your device. Navigate to the Settings or Wallet menu, where you will find the option to import a wallet. Select this option and choose the method to import, which in this case is the private key. You will then be prompted to enter your private key. Carefully type in the key, making sure to enter it exactly as it appears in your existing wallet. If your private key is represented as a QR code, you may have the option to scan it using your device's camera. After entering your private key, you will be asked to create a new password for your Phantom wallet. This password will be used to encrypt and protect your wallet, so choose a strong and unique password that you can remember. Once you have created your password, your Phantom wallet will import your private key and synchronize your account. This may take a few moments, depending on the speed of your device and the complexity of your wallet. Finally, verify that your funds have been successfully imported by checking your wallet balance and transaction history. If everything appears correct, you have successfully imported your Phantom wallet private key. Remember to always keep your private key secure, as anyone with access to it can control your cryptocurrency funds. Never share your private key with anyone, and consider using additional security measures such as two-factor authentication and a hardware wallet to further protect your assets.